Hello everyone, my name is Anna. Welcome to my apartment. Live in Dubai for 1 month and I really enjoyed. I'm very lucky that I found such a nice apartment. And thanks to Colife, because my apartment is really big and it's like located on Marina. I'm excited to show you around my place in Dubai. By the way, before we start our tour, I would like to explain what I'm doing in Dubai. I'm a coach, so I'm working online. And also I'm a brewmaster, so I tried to work here because I love the city and it was my dream to work here. So this is our dining room here. We have all household that we need, so it's really comfortable. And I don't need to buy some dish or something like this. Also, I have some hobbies. I like going to the gym that's located in my building, and I like going wake surf with my friends. Location of my building is very good, so I love going walking every day. I really like the interior of my room. These paintings is very beautiful, and they add some beautiful things to my room. Back to the apartment, I'm really happy that Colife provided me such a good apartment. This service has a 24/7 support, so I feel like I have a personal concierge, and if I have some problems, they solve it really fast. Colife even organized some opportunities and some activities to the people who live in their apartments. So if you have no friends in Dubai or a company, they can also provide a good company. And the best part, all the furniture and household appliance is included in your living. So it's very comfortable. You don't need to buy some stuff when you just arrived in a new city. Thank you all for watching this video. Goodbye.